Hey, what's up guys? Joe back again with another video for you, and today's going to be a quick one. This is going to be a quick Final Cut Pro tutorial on how to make your videos 18:9. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is come up here to File and New Project, and you're going to select Custom, and you're going to select 3840 by 1920 as your resolution, and then just make sure all these other things are the way that you like them and go ahead and hit OK. That's going to go ahead and create your timeline down here. This should be 18:9. The one thing that you are going to notice is that there's going to be some black bars on the sides right here and right here. And to fix that, you want to come over here to spatial conform. If it isn't already popped out like that, just hit show. It's set to fit right now, so we're going to go ahead and set that to fill. So now you've got the screen completely filled. But the one thing that I did notice is everything works great. I mean, if this is your goal, then you're all set and you're all done. If you're adding any transitions that are pre-made, maybe even some of the transitions that come with Final Cut Pro, I don't know. I don't really use them too often. But I know I use a lot of pre-made transitions by Ryan Nangle, who does a fantastic job. You should check his channel out. He teaches you how to make them. He also sells them. I prefer to just buy them. So anyway, so I go ahead and drop that here. And when I play this back, you're going to notice on the left and the right side, there's this weird like duplicating mirror effect. It just doesn't understand how to actually handle this wider aspect ratio. So the solution is to go ahead and create your timeline in, actually, let me do this. So we're going to scrap this one. Let me show you what to do here. Alright, so that one's scrapped. We're actually going to create just a regular project, a regular 16:9 project. And we're going to go ahead and drop this footage down here. And I will go ahead and show you that the transition actually does work as intended. It's not just, it's not the transition that's messing it up, it's just the aspect ratio. So now you'll see it just kind of swipes just as it would. What I do is I create the project in the 16:9 timeline, create the entire thing as if it was ready to upload to YouTube. And once you have it created, go ahead and do new compound clip. And once you have your new compound clip, go ahead and copy it. And we're going to go new project. Now here's where we're actually going to use our custom settings. There we go. And we'll go ahead and paste. And if you guys are wondering why I'm just using these drop downs instead of the shortcuts, maybe driving some of you nuts, I'm actually doing that because my microphone is right above my keyboard, so the wire kind of makes it a little bit hard to get to the keyboard. So I'm just going to render this out really quick. It shouldn't take very long to render at all. Actually, I probably should have set this to fill. I'm not sure if that's going to make any difference if I'm going to have to render it out again. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let this render out. Once it's done rendering, I'm going to go ahead and play that back so you can see how it actually works this way. All right, anytime now. Let's see. I think I can set that to fill while it's doing that. Perfect. Okay, so go ahead and play that back. Oh, hold on 1 second. Let's try that again. All right, so as you can see, and I do apologize, the clip that I used is kind of bad because there was absolutely no motion there. But as you can see, it's actually working properly. So yeah, that's really all that there is to it. I hope this is going to save you guys some time and some headache. I know it kind of panicked me for a second there, but anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, I'll see you next time. See ya.